Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ramesh and let's jump to my plan for the week, and I'm watching 4 big names for next week. Let's see what they are and I'll try to break them down as much as I could. Alright, let's go over the first name that I'm watching, which is SPY. So I think SPY, if it can get above this 379 area, just because it have been rejected a few times last, you see this right here on October 5th, again 6th of October and then November 4th. So we rejected a few times this area 379 and in the past as well, but every time we try to break this 379 in the past, we went in a day or two, we touched 385. Look at this here, we broke this within a day, we touched 385. So I think if we can break 379 again, we can go touch 385 again and potentially even 390 if the momentum picked up. Alright, so that's a play for the upside. Towards the downside, there's a lot of demand around this area. You see this, it was a strong resistance. You know, a strong resistance once broken, what it becomes? Strong support. So it has to break, this support level has to break off 369 for the price to go down to 364 and potentially even go down to 357. After that, it will be more of, you know, day trading type market. Even now it's more day trading market rather than swing trading market. So focus on day trading more. Don't try to swing trade. It's just too much going on in the market right now with the interest rates, Feds, too much going on, right? So don't try to risk it. You know, the reward's not worth it. So on SPY, this is my 4-star play. So I'll give it 4 stars out of 5. I think if 379 breaks, we can head up to 385 and then 390, and towards the downside, if 369 breaks, I think we have 364 and then 357. Alright, that was my one play. The next one is QQQs. So if you look at this 260 area, we bounced a lot of times. Look at this, even in the past. Look at this, how many times we have bounced. We went down there, we touch it strong, it was a strong resistance, turned into a strong support and price bounced, and now we are approaching that area again, and we made this pin bar candle with a lot of volume on Friday. So plan is pretty simple for me. If the prices can get above 265.5, I think it can head up to 272. That'll be, you know, within this week, 272, 275. That will happen if it gets above this 266.5. Now, if the prices went below 260, I wouldn't take a trade up until we break the lows of the Friday. And after that, 256 is one of those levels, and then it becomes a strong demand zone. We'll watch how the day price action for the day works, but it will be more of a chill towards the downside, but I'll be a little bit aggressive towards the upside. So QQQ is a 5-star play for me, and I really think if 266.5 breaks, we can head up to 272 and then 275. The third play that I'm watching for the week is NVDA. NVDA really looks good. We have like 10 days towards the earnings, so earnings quite far. I think if 142.5 breaks, look at this, how many times we tried to break. Once we tried to break here, we got rejected at 145, but that's all right. Another level here, another level here. So I think if 142.5 can break towards the upside, we have 145, and then there's a huge gap area. Look at this, there's a huge gap. So a gap is when there is no transactions last time. We simply gapped below this. Alright, so this is a huge gap area that we have. We gapped below this and there's no transaction since. So I believe if we can get above this price point of 145-ish and we stayed strong, we can head up to 150 towards the earnings. Alright, now towards the downside, I do not really think there's a play, probably up until 130 breaks, which is quite far, so I didn't make a plan for now. So NVIDIA becomes my 5-star play again, which will be my strong watch for the week, and I really think if 142.5 breaks with some high volume, you can head to 145 and even 150. Alright, so let's look at next one, which is BA. So if you look at BA's chart, we have 200 moving average sitting right at the top. And check out in the history what happened. Every time we tried to break 200 moving average, we got rejected from literally over 52 weeks. Alright, every single time we try to break above this, we got rejected. Alright, this is why this play is only 2 stars. It's not a very strong play, but from last few days, the momentum has been strong. So that's why I will be paying attention to this. Just in case it tried to break, I will give it a shot. Alright, so the play for me right here is above 161. If 161 completely gets taken over with a lot of volume, I strongly believe we will head up to 163.5ish, and if the momentum stays strong, we can head up to 166. But again, this is my 2-star play. I like it, but just because of the 200 moving average sitting on the top on a daily time frame, I am more of like, okay, let's see how the price action reacts and then we'll formulate a plan. So these are the 4 names that I'm watching for the week, which is SPY, QQQs, NVDA, NVDA. If you want to learn more how I trade and the strategies that I use day in and day out, check the link in the bio, join the waitlist for my upcoming mastermind. I really hope you guys love this video. If you do, please press the thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make more of these videos every week, and hit the channel and subscribe. Boom. I'll see you guys next time. All right, thank you.